Hello, and today we're going to look at the Python library requests, which is used to fetch data and pages over the internet. To start off, we are going to download our library using pip. So that is just Python m pip install requests to make sure that the library is installed. Next, in our main file, we are going to import requests. And then we are going to define the primary API we want to hit that would use to test pulling down data. And for this example, I'm going to pull down data from Coinbase. And to do that, I'm just going to paste. This will be our base API. And the specific data we want to get to it is currencies. And that is simply just defined as currencies. So next, we are going to make a request to this endpoint. And the way we're going to do that is API URL plus currency path. And for now, what we're going to do is print response.json. And this endpoint will return JSON data. So now if we want to run this code, you'll see that we returned a proper response. To further clean this up, what we can do is do this and this. And we can use one helper library called pandas. And to install this is Python m pip install pandas, which I should have already installed. And because this data is very tabular, it's a series of records all with the same keys. Pandas has a quick and easy way to handle this. From records, data, and it's going to return a data frame. So let's call this currencies data frame, or DF for short. And what we're going to want to do is print this currencies data frame. We run this again, and we see this is a much cleaner form. And if you want to save this, what we can do is say currencies df dot to CSV. And from there, we can call this currencies.csv. And then we will often want to disable saving in index. And if we really want to look at our data, it'll be in the CSV that can be opened up in Excel. All right, that concludes this tutorial. Have fun coding.